My name is Mrs. Young. I like to make videos to teach you new things and to help you remember the things you already know. I'm glad you're here today.
Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? I hope you are all doing great. Today is Tuesday, January 23rd in the year 2024. If we look at our calendar, we are on Tuesday, January 23rd in the year 2024. We are on the fourth full week of the month, and we only have about 4 more days to go, and January will be finished. It seems like we just started January in our new year, and now we're almost finished with January already. So, did you know January is National Soup Month? And do you know why January is National Soup Month? Well, think about it. Our season is winter, and in winter it is very cold outside. So we wouldn't want to eat an ice cream cone because that would make us feel colder. Most of us would rather eat a nice hot bowl of soup. And did you know the most popular kind of soup in the United States of America, which is our country where we live, is chicken noodle soup? What kind of soup do you like? What kind of soup is your favorite? Well, when you go to open up a can of soup, what do you need? If it doesn't have this pop top on it, you're going to need something from the kitchen called a can opener. You're going to need a can opener to open any kind of can that does not have the pop top on it. So just like in last week's video, we talked about tools in the toolbox that help us build things and fix things. Well, there's a whole bunch of tools in the kitchen that help us cook our food. So guess what? Today our lesson is going to be all about kitchen tools. All right, guys, are you ready? Here we go.
The kitchen is a place where we make delicious meals. Just like tools in the toolbox that we use to build and fix things, we need tools in the kitchen to make our food. We use kitchen tools to chop, slice, measure, mix, cook, and bake. For chopping and slicing, we use knives. Different knives have different jobs. A chef's knife is used for cutting things like meat and fish. A paring knife is much smaller, and it is used to cut up fruits and vegetables. For mixing things, we use spoons and whisks. A wooden spoon won't scratch pots and pans, and a metal spoon is sturdier for mixing thick ingredients. We use a whisk to whip up fluffy eggs or cake batter. Mixing bowls are used to hold the ingredients while we mix or stir things up. Measuring cups and measuring spoons are important so that we can include the right amount of ingredients for the recipe. Pots and pans are the tools we use to cook all sorts of things on top of the stove. They come in all shapes and sizes, from large pots to small frying pans. A baking sheet is a flat pan that is perfect for roasting vegetables or baking cookies. It goes inside the oven. Always remember to use oven mitts to protect your hands from the heat when you take things in and out of the oven. There are many other helpful tools too. A can opener is for taking the top off of cans. A colander is for draining water from pasta. A cutting board is for protecting your countertop when you cut with a knife. And a spatula is for flipping things like burgers, eggs, and pancakes. When you learn to use these tools, you can create delicious meals for yourself and for your family.
Okay, guys, so just like last week, we are going to have a little quiz to see how much you remembered from our lesson. Are you ready? Okay, first question. What is this kitchen tool and what do we use it for? Is it a baking sheet that we use to bake cookies with in the oven? Or is it a frying pan that you use to cook meat and vegetables and eggs and pancakes? If you said frying pan, you are right. Okay, what is this kitchen tool? Is this a measuring cup that you would use to measure ingredients for your recipes? Or is this a coffee mug that you would use to drink your coffee out of? If you said measuring cup, you are right. This is a measuring cup to measure ingredients for a recipe. What is this kitchen tool? Is it a whisk that you use to stir things, or is it a spatula that you use to flip things? If you said whisk that you use to stir things like cake batter and cookie batter and scrambled eggs, you are right. This is a whisk. So guys, all you have to do is to learn to use a few of these kitchen tools safely. You may need to ask for some help, and you can whip up some delicious meals for yourself and for your family. Okay guys, I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next Tuesday in our next video. Bye.